So is your house feeling too big for you? Well, you know what? You're not alone. Downsizing is something everybody is looking forward to doing, but you gotta start early. Let me tell you why. My name is Daniel Bozic. I'm a broker with Dan Lee Group Real Estate at eXp Realty, and I've been a real estate agent for almost 4 decades. You know, maybe those kids have grown up and left the house. Maybe there's a sport you want to try or a new hobby. There's so many reasons people want to downsize. But the real key to downsizing is trying to get the right financial situation you're in, think about the timing you have to do, and all the different areas you definitely want to head to with your family for sure. Most people wait too long to do their downsizing. And the problem is they start doing it when it's too late. You know, they've gotten sick or they're in a financial situation and now they have to downsize. But if you plan early, you can avoid all those pitfalls. And it'll be much more financially beneficial to do it early. What's surprising is some of the stats. From 1991 to basically today, more homes are being sold by people 75 and older. Now, downsizing might be a little late at 75. And that's one of the big reasons you want to start trying to plan for this early. And start talking to your financial planner, talking to your family, talking to your kids even, and see what the best options are. Starting early gives you a bunch of things. Think about it. You can pick the area you want to live. You can figure out how much money you're going to have, and you can figure out exactly what you want to do. The options are limitless. And one more important thing is the emotional side of downsizing. Try not to forget about that. Especially if you lived in your home for 20, 30, if not, maybe even 40 years. You have so many memories. The emotional part of it can be very, very detrimental. But if you plan early, you can work that emotional end and you'll get excited about where you're headed to. You'll get excited about what you're going to be doing in the future. So planning early is probably the most important thing that you want to do. So what's the next step? Well, first and foremost, like I said before, talk to your family. Second, start doing some research. Think about different areas you want to live. Depending on where you live now in the Golden Horseshoe, you may want to go out towards Niagara Falls. You may want to go out on the other side of Toronto. It all depends. So start doing that research. And then start talking to a financial planner and see what they're saying about the finances, how much money you'll be able to pull out, how much interest you can make. And then talk to a realtor. Let them help you discuss what you need to do to get your house ready for sale, whether it's a year from now, 2 years from now, even 5 years from now. The earlier you start and plan for downsizing, the better it'll be. So what do we do now? Well, in our next video, we're going to talk about the 3 most important things you can do to your house to make sure you maximize the value in that home. So if you want to watch that next video, make sure you click the banner above. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and give us a like.